Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank Honourable Rokomatu for his oral question. So the Nayavu Health Centre in Wainubuka is one of the few of the health facilities around the country that the Ministry is working on infrastructural improvements there. And that current clinic has aged through the years, and it needs ongoing renovations together with current structures needed. So in 2020, government then through the CIU constructed a building beside the current health clinic at a cost of $576,580. So the brand new building was intended for staff to be staff quarters and has been occupied recently by clinical staff work at the health center. However, upon reviewing the priorities of the health services at Nayavu, we were given that there are adequate housing still in place, and the Ministry is planning to repurpose the new building to house some health services that are currently provided from the health clinic. And those health services will be the GPD, Special Outpatient Department, doctor's consultation room, holding beds for short-term patient observations. Prior to this, we will rehouse the staff living in the new building and the nearby staff quarters, and we will duly inform the general public once we have finalized the new arrangements for the health services from the health center. So in addition to this, I would like to also acknowledge the continuous support from our development partners, both multilateral, unilateral, in assisting the Ministry in terms of improving in infrastructure. And one in particular that is assisting with Nayavu Health Centre facility is under COICA is its SHAPE project on strength and health adaptation projects. Those under the SHAPE project, what they've identified to be done is extension of the waiting area, solarization of the facility, and other improvements in wash facilities as well. So those are earmarked for Nayavu Health Centre, sir, and not only that, as the Ministry is also looking at other facilities within. Just to add on to that, the COICA is looking also into 19 other facilities, 20 in total, with Nayavu being one of them. Thank you.